There is no room for you in the new vegetable kingdom.
Look, I think meat is gross, but other people like it, and that's cool. You just need to have a balanced diet whatever you eat.
His mind has been poisoned by the meat apple.
Side work! Dude, what time is it?
I don't know. I didn't bring a watch.
What time is it?
6-ish.
No, what time is it?
It's meat party time!
What?
Meat party time!
Wait, what's...
Did someone say meat party time?
Your time is up. The age of vegetables begins now. Oh, what is that captivating smell?
Barbecue ribs, buddy. Want some?